Accessible digital technologies are as important as any kind of accessibility implementations. Even more important in digital world, as today it's so integrated in our everyday life. The area I'm researching is focused on the accessibility for blind and visually impaired music producers. I'm exploring how we can use vibrations as haptic technology to enable new ways of communicating with computer when visual cues are not available to the users.
I'm currently on my placement year and I'm working with the human-computer interaction team to enable more accessibility amongst individuals. So currently I'm working on a project that allows haptic vests to be able to communicate haptic signals amongst the deafblind community. So basically, haptics are vibrations. For example, when you put your phone on vibration, those signals that are sent through, that you feel on your hands or that you feel through your pockets, are haptics. The deafblind community have these haptic signals that they use to communicate amongst each other, where an interpreter writes the signals on the bodies of the deafblind individual. But I'm trying to ensure a more scalable way. With a single interpreter, they'll be able to communicate with multiple deafblind individuals from an application. This can be used in conferences or at schools where one person needs to talk to multiple deafblind individuals.
My name's Craig. I'm about halfway through my PhD with the Human-Computer Interaction Group. I'm looking at accessibility of virtual reality. Mostly I'm looking at how we can use vibration feedback to direct people who are visually impaired or blind. So we're really exploring what kind of accessibility issues are currently present in virtual reality, addressing that by introducing vibrations on the body and the controllers to direct people in these 3D virtual spaces. What we're hoping is to make mainstream virtual reality accessible for people. Social inclusion is really important, including people with disabilities and different perspectives, different lived experiences. Get people involved right from the beginning.